Hello students, myself Ashok Kumar Misra, and today we are going to discuss about the special topics of mathematics known as trigonometry. First of all, I am going to discuss about what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of relations between sides and angle of a right angle triangle. Okay. Once again, the trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which deals with the study of relations between sides and angles. Between sides and angles of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangles means a triangle in which an angle will be equal to 90 degree. Is known as right angle triangle. Okay. Now, the first topic of trigonometry is trigonometrical ratios. Trigonometrical ratios. So, as we know, the meaning of ratios can be defined in this case the ratio of any two sides of a right angle triangle is known as trigonometrical ratios. The ratio of any two sides of a right angle triangle is known as the trigonometrical ratio. First, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. As we know, what is the hypotenuse? The side opposite to the angle of 90 degree. The sides opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse, and the sides opposite to an acute angle, for which we have to find the ratio of trigonometric ratio theta. The opposite sides of theta is known as the perpendicular, and the side containing the angle is known as the base. Okay, it is base and hypotenuse and perpendicular. Now, perpendicular hypotenuse is known as sine theta. The sine theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and another ratio is known as cosine theta. Cosine theta, which is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Another trigonometric ratio is known as tangent of theta, which is equal to perpendicular upon base. Okay. The next, cotangent of theta is known as the reciprocal of tangent, that is base upon perpendicular. And sec theta, which is known as secant theta, secant of theta is known as hypotenuse upon base. And last, cosecant of theta is known as hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Okay, this sine theta also can read and write sine theta. The full form of sine theta is equal to sine theta, and cosine theta in short cos theta, and tangent theta in short tan theta, and cotangent also known as cot theta. Generally, we say all of these as sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and cot theta, and this second will be sec theta, and cosecant is cosec theta. Okay, now in short we can say again sin theta for perpendicular P and hypotenuse H, base B, hypotenuse H. So we can say that sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular, and sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, and cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. From these ratios we can say that we can find a relation between sine and cosec theta. You can check it. Sin theta is equal to P by H, P for perpendicular and H for hypotenuse. Okay, sin theta is equal to P by H, and cosec theta, you can check it. Sin theta is equal to P by H, P for perpendicular and H for hypotenuse. Okay, sin theta is equal to P by H, and cosec theta is equal to H by P. So we can say that cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, or sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, or we can say also sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1. Again check cos theta and sec theta. You can get another relation between cos and sec. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Is am I right? Is it right? Cos theta, or cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, or cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. We can say that the product of sin theta and cosec theta is equal to 1, and also the product of cos theta and sec theta is equal to 1. Again, in the case of tan and cot, tan theta is equal to P by B, and cot theta is equal to B by B. So we can say that cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, or tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta, or another relation can be found, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. As per question, we can use all of these relations. Okay, student. And another relation can be found. So wait a minute. In a right triangle ABC, we know that it will be hypotenuse, and if angle is here, then it will be base and it will be perpendicular. So we know that since hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now if you divide each by h square, divide on both sides by h square, we can get h square by h square is equal to p square by h square, plus b square by h square. So we can calculate a relation again. 1 is equal to p by h square plus b by h square. So we can see that p by h is the formula, is a trigonometric ratio of any two sides. So we have to check what is this. P by H is equal to sine theta. Then it will be sine square theta. Okay. And P by H will be cos square theta. Okay. Another relation, sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And we can use it as sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So now there will be homework for all of you. So you have to find the relation in the terms of tan and sec. Okay. And I write here and you have to prove it. Okay. And second relation will be sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and another cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay. Thank you. And prove it by yourself. Thank you.